The Knockdown Texture Sponge is a great DIY texture matching tool for drywall and ceiling repair. First, remove any loose tape, texture, or debris from the damaged area. Next, prime the area with a spray can of KILZ or your favorite primer to seal the dusty surface. Now apply joint compound to the repair, let dry, repeat as needed. Now, using your Knockdown Texture Sponge, liberally apply joint compound, then dab and pull the sponge at the repair. Keep sponging until the joint compound starts to hang down like this. Let the texture set up for 5 to 10 minutes, then knock it down in the direction of the existing texture you're trying to match. Let dry for 2 to 4 hours. Spot prime and paint using a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch nap. Now you can match Knockdown texture like a pro with these easy steps. See the YouTube card above for more Knockdown Texture Sponge video. I'll leave a link in the description to the Knockdown Texture Sponge and more information. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.